to EduDose, your scientific learning partner in pharmaceutical innovation. Today, I'm diving into a core statistical tool that's transforming pharmaceutical R&D, design of experiments or DoE. I'll also walk you through a practical case study to show how DoE turns development from guesswork into a smart, data-driven process. So, what exactly is DoE in pharma? Design of experiments is a systematic method for figuring out how different factors affect a process and its results. In simple terms, DoE helps answer the big questions. Which material attributes and process parameters really impact quality? And what's the best combination to make sure products perform consistently? Why is DoE so important in pharmaceutical development? Let me break it down. It reduces development time and cost, identifies critical parameters and how they interact, and improves our understanding of both formulation and process. DoE helps ensure product quality by minimizing variability. It supports quality by design and regulatory submissions under ICH Q8 to Q11. Plus, it helps you build design space and define your control strategy. Now, there are several types of experimental designs, and each serves a different purpose. Screening designs like Plackett-Berman or fractional factorial help you identify the important factors among many. Optimization designs, which include full factorial and response surface methodology, let you fine-tune those factors for the best results. And mixture designs are perfect for studying how ingredient proportions impact a formulation. Let's make this real with a case study. Optimizing an oral fast-dissolving tablet of Ondansetron, a common antiemetic. The objective: develop a mouth-dissolving tablet with rapid disintegration, under 30 seconds, while maintaining acceptable hardness, friability, good taste, and uniformity. First, pre-formulation studies identified key excipients, crospovidone as the superdisintegrant, PVPK30 as the binder, and mannitol as the diluent. Next, two independent variables were chosen: X1, the concentration of crospovidone, and X2, the concentration of PVPK30. The responses to measure: Y1, disintegration time, and Y2, tablet hardness. For the experimental design, a full factorial 32 design was used, meaning 9 experimental runs with 3 levels for each factor. For example, crospovidone at 2, 4, and 6%, and PVPK30 at 1, 2, and 3%. After running the experiments, data analysis with ANOVA showed how the 2 factors influenced the results. Polynomial equations and interaction plots revealed that increasing crospovidone significantly decreased disintegration time. High PVPK30 improved hardness but also increased disintegration time. The optimal formulation: 5% crospovidone and 2% PVPK30. This gave a disintegration time of 22 seconds, a hardness of 3.5 kilograms per square centimeter, and friability below 0.8%. Validation with checkpoint batches confirmed the model's robustness. This case perfectly illustrates how DoE leads to smarter, science-backed decisions. No more trial and error. DoE also supports regulatory compliance. Agencies like the US FDA and EMA encourage DoE as part of quality by design submissions. It helps you define your design space, proven acceptable ranges, and control strategies. Including DoE data in your CTD submissions strengthens your application and minimizes regulatory queries. Key takeaways: DoE isn't optional, it's essential for smart pharma development. It saves time, ensures product quality, and checks regulatory boxes. Whether you're an M.Pharm student or a seasoned professional, you need this tool in your arsenal. Start integrating DoE into your work today. It's the best investment for data-driven pharma R&D. I hope this EduDose boosted your learning journey. For more deep dives into QBD, PAT, AI in pharma, and advanced formulations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you'd like a tutorial on designing experiments using software like Design Expert or JMP. Thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.